Hello YouTubers, you are watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan and we will be replacing the blower motor on this van. So the blower motor is traditionally located under the passenger side glove box. So to get to it, under the glove box there are two plastic clips, one here and one over there. There are also two screws, 7mm or Phillips screws at the back, and over there, another one over there. But I don't believe we will need to remove those, so we'll just go with the removal tool. We'll just get those plastic clips removed. Same as the other side. And here we go. Here is your blower motor. So we will go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector. As well, it is attached over there. So we'll use same trim removal tool. Pry the clip out. Now there are three screws. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, and 3 Torx screws. So I'll use T20 Torx bit and 1/4-inch ratchet to remove those 3 screws. This outside one, you can probably access it with a little battery powered ratchet or impact. The rear one not much room, so we'll just do all by hand. They're coming out quite easily. Same the other one. In general, seems to be one of the easiest access I ever seen. So this is done. Now, this one is the last one. Here you go. The fan is out. So this is the old one. This is the new one. I will leave a link in the description to the part that you can buy it on Amazon, and other tools that you might need will be all there. Check the links out, that will help this channel to grow. In the meantime, we want to compare if they are the same, if the mounting brackets are the same, if the snorkel is the same, size is the same, and seems like it's exactly the right fit. So we'll get this installed. Alright, one thing that I would like to do to replace the cabin air filter, because when we move the filter there is the chance that some debris can fall into the fan and you want to avoid it. And right now when the fan is removed, it's a good time to replace the filter. So to replace the filter, you need to remove this string. So we just pull it back and take it off. Now just squeeze it. So that was that little string, so it kind of allows the glove box to open smoothly. So now we just go ahead, pull from both sides, get this removed, the cover, and then pull the filter out, and you can see the leaves are falling down, so this filter is due to replacement anyway. Okay, so here is the new filter. We'll put it in. One thing that you want to pay attention to, this arrow where the airflow goes, and in this case it's going from top to bottom. So we push it in, put this cover back on. Pull the string. We'll try to do it with one hand and a knee. So we will install this string piece first, and then we will go on each side. Okay, so this is installed, and this time we can move to the fan itself. I will leave a link for the filter in the description to the video. So we'll just get that fan lined up. Perfect. Exactly how it was. So it should sit solid, attached to the housing, no gaps. That snorkel is pointing almost towards the right wheel. Okay, let me get those 3 screws in. I will need to pause the video for that. So with those 3 screws being installed, we'll plug this again. We'll get the connector back in. We'll tug this wire from the dash camera that you probably won't have to deal with in. Get this up. We'll push those clips into place. And that's it. It was quite easy job. Thanks for watching. Please check the links in the description to the video. Check my new Amazon store. And as always, just do it yourself. Take care, guys.